I took the ABC course with Dr. Patel. I would highly recommend this course for anyone who is interested at all in sleep or pain.
I can say with the utmost enthusiasm, it's one of the best courses I've ever taken. Understanding the interrelationship between sleep bruxism, TMJ disorders, and OSA has given me an understanding, I hope, that what I can use and get back to help a lot of patients in my office.
Hi, I'm Dr. Chuck Reinersten. I just attended the cross-coding course with Rose Nierman, and there's so much I learned. You don't know what you don't know. So if you're looking into getting paid by medical insurance companies, it's a fantastic course to go to. Attend the course, you'll learn a lot.